Welcome to Super Styles, all things beauty. You guys, I filmed this super quick tutorial for you. It is just using one palette. It's the Ciate London palette. It's a beautiful palette with pink tones for Valentine's Day, or if you're out with just your ladies. It's a perfect, quick, glam look that you guys are gonna absolutely love. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want up next. So I'm gonna be using the Ciate palette, the Velvet palette, picking up this corally shade, and on a blending brush, I'm just going to be applying it to my crease and just keep blending and blending. Now I'm going to pick up this brownish color and apply it towards the crease, but under the crease on my lid, and again blend it out. Picking up this purpley shade and another fluffy brush. This is the LA makeup brush. I am going to be blending again between that crease color and the lid color and just darkening that outer edge. Now picking up Wet n Wild. It has some sparks in here, but mainly I am using this as a base for the product that I'm going to be putting on right after this. I'm just using an angle brush, nothing specific here. And now I'm going to be applying that super pretty pink shade that has sparkles in there towards the center of my lid, and this is going to be giving this beautiful pop. And here in the tear duct, I'm actually adding the lighter shade of the Wet n Wild Hello highlighter. And right under my eyes, I'm also going back in with that purplish shade with a pointed pencil brush. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Heartless. This also opens up your eyes, and I'm going to be tight lining with a black eyeliner. Using that same black eyeliner on an angled brush. This is the color 0 with Urban Decay, and I'm going to be darkening the corners of my eyes, give that cat eye look, and darken the under and upper eyes. I am also going to be adding my elegant lashes. These are the wispy lashes, and then we'll be applying my mascara, bringing this whole look together. Upper and lower lashes, coat 1, coat 2, coat 3. Just kidding, I only do 2 coats. And here is one of my favorite lip liners. It's the Gerard Cosmetics in Ecstasy. I do overline at the center on the top, and I am adding a MAC lipstick. This one is limited edition. And then going in with Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss only in the center. Now going in with that pink shade in that same eyeshadow palette, I am using as a highlighter, using again one of my LA makeup brushes. And it really doesn't matter what kind of brush you use or what kind of shadows you use, as long as you attain this look for Valentine's Day. Okay, this one's gonna come with a filter. You guys let me know what you think of this look. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna be playing with the filters. This is really pretty, actually. Anyway, ladies, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna be practicing this look. It's super pretty, pink tones. I love it. Okay, last filter. I think this is the nicest one out of all of them because it's the most natural looking, because my makeup does look like this in real life. Okay, go. Practice.